So hello everyone, welcome to another video with me, and yes, I am outside SR Autobodies. So in this video, I'm going to be catching up with Steve. Well, we are going to be catching up with Steve here today, but I'm just going to show you around his new workshop, my brother's car, and just a couple of other bits and pieces as well.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So as you can see, my brother's car's had some work done to it. The rear quarter panels have been cut. This hasn't been fitted in. This is just testing out. We're just leaving it there, I think. The new panel here has been put in. This has been welded in, spot welded in a few places. Zinc coated here. These are the new strut tops that my brother's got put on. Luckily, Steve's been able to find some basically perfect ones for the car. So the engine bay is starting to look very different now. You can see here, this is like really raised up compared to what it should be. That bit should be much lower. So people that jack your Skylines up in the wrong areas, well, that's the kind of damage you can cause. That literally will need to be either, I don't know, probably beaten down and just flattened out straight, perfected. Just find that so weird to look at. Again, everyone's talking over there, but the newest updates right now with my brother's car is obviously the rear arches have been cut out, which you have seen so far. So that is the other one just over there. They're doing both sides. This side needed to be done definitely, but Steve was like, I want to get the other side done as well, because there was a little bit of work that needed to be done there. What they're doing right now is just making sure all the rust is fixed. You can see from the way the shell is right now, there's just so much work that still needed to be done that you probably wouldn't have been able to spot or notice without getting the car to this bare shell level as it is right now. So this is 100% a complete restoration. It's going to go well with the interior work that our brother's getting done and all those good bits and pieces. This is in my pocket, by the way. If you keep thinking, what is that thing? That is a bulge in his pocket. It's this. So Steve has been busy. He's got quite a few little cars going across. Ooh, wow. So that's the Velside R34 GTR is rebuilding, as well as an R32. Beautiful R33 over here as well. that is my brother's rear quarter panel. He's got two to go on. That's his shell just there. And this car is, well, you've seen this in an earlier video where a lot of it was damaged. Just how perfect everything is now. You want a restoration? Well, this one, this is probably the craziest thing you'll ever see. Major work going into this one. This is unbelievable what Steve's done here. So these are actually my brother's rear diff and drive shafts. Now these are actually the original ones. He's had them reconditioned. Genuinely, to say how much of this is new is going to shock you. None of this is new apart from these washers here. Literally everything has been reconditioned, including the rubbers here. Look, you can still see the original markings just here. These are original and they've been made soft again. The special compound that Steve's made just works perfectly on this. You just literally looking at that, how would you think that was anything but brand new? That is amazing attention to detail and amazing care as well. That's what you can appreciate about the work that's done here. Everything has been removed, refurbished. All this was just obviously cleared up, made down to a bare item, and then built back up to a proper drive shaft. So this section just over here is all of my brother's items. So that's his engine, gearbox, a lot of his subframe and those kind of things. So I think that's his one. No, I think that one might be his one. I think that's his one. But yeah, that's everything just here. This is someone else's car stuff, but like, everything has been powder coated as well. There's the new wiring and just all the other little bits and pieces. The engine has been kept completely stock and just literally they've pulled it out, just left it here like this. It says the best way to leave it for now until it's time to do some engine work, just leave it like that. So brother's happy with that. Just a whole lot of goodness in here. This is actually the old shop. This is where everything used to be. My brother's Skyline used to be in here, but they've been able to expand into the new workshop over here. So that's my brother's one. It's an R32, a 34, another 33, and he's making a Pandem R32 as well. So Steve's been very kind to unravel the 32 for me as well. The same gentleman that has these two cars has also got an R33 due to come in. They're all going to be white, same billet engines, running about the same amount of power. It's just going to be insane. So I'll have a quick little look around this one. That is the original Veilside car. That's the one that did over 200 miles per hour back in the day. But yeah, let's have a look. Okay, that looks ridiculously light. I don't even... I'll be honest, I would normally say, oh, let me hold it, but that's too big and I don't want to drop it, so like that is literally amazing quality. And damn,
2 in tanks and 3 4.4s. 3 4s.
That is a very clean setup with carbon fiber as well everywhere. Like just, well, the mounting's been made out of that. It's arrived 3 days ago. Okay. This guy's gonna have an amazing collection, that's for sure. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 GTRs, an S15 and a GTST. Wow. I've come over to the quiet part of the garage because it's nice to talk over here. But honestly, not only is it amazing to just come here, just be able to look around, talk to Steve, talk to everyone about the cars, the work that's going on with them, but the level of quality that is done on these cars, that's the bit that you appreciate. Like I said, my brother's rear diff and all those bits and pieces, that's just amazing that that's all the stock original items. Yeah, gotta appreciate Steve for letting me come over here and just film up everything. It's his workshop, but he says it's all right, so it's amazing. Much love for that. Make sure you check him out on Instagram and on Facebook. I'll put the details for that down below as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna carry on getting some more footage for you guys. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more about it or anything like that, or if you want to see something specifically that you'd like for me to either talk to Steve about, or you know, be able to dive into something in a bit more detail, leave a comment for me or message me, all those kind of things. And please do subscribe to continue watching my brother's car build as well as everything else. For now, I'll see you all later. Peace out.